If nagustuhan nyo ang creamy spinach pizza wrap ng Greenwich, naku guys, dapat matikman nyo rin itong 2 new flavors ng Greenwich pizza wrap. Para sa mga bet ang pineapple sa pizza like my kids, one of the 2 new flavors ng pizza wrap is Hawaiian. Just like the creamy spinach pizza wrap, grabe ang flavorful ng feeling ito. Freshly baked ang crust and loaded with cheese. At dahil cheese lovers kami, amazed na amazed kami ng family ko pag ganitong kahaba ang cheese pool. The second flavor is this cheesy roast beef pizza wrap. Ito yung mas favorite ko out of the two dahil amoy pa lang ang sarap na and look kung gaano kadami yung cheese sa loob. I love the savory sweet beef and yung cheese niya is a combination of cream cheese and mozzarella. This is so cheesy and nakaka-happy. Imagine for only 99 pesos, solve na yung pizza cravings ko. At sa akin pa yung isang buo. Nakaka-happy talaga ng mood ang sarap nito. This is already available at all Greenwich stores nationwide for dine-in, takeout, and delivery. You'll get additional 50 pesos off pa if you use my code GWIMKimrods when you order via order.greenwich.com.ph. Nagutom ko ba kayo? What are you waiting for? Try nyo na!